So once we start Excel, you will see the start screen which will load first. It will greet you and show you the current recent files if you have been using Excel. On the top, you can create a new blank workbook. You could also watch other tutorials. Microsoft has loaded a few templates for you, which you can examine here. So there are templates to create calendars, organization charts, monthly budgets, and a whole lot of different templates for invoices, balance sheets, inventory, to-do lists are available. If you want to quickly start something similar, you could choose a template. In our case, we only want to use a blank workbook. So we simply click here and a blank workbook is created.